Alright folks, it's not very often that somebody sends me a tool to use on our channel and evaluate and collaborate with that company. And these guys, Suzume, sent me these torque wrench set, and I've been using them around here on the farm, as you've seen in a couple other videos, like on my sawmill. But today is the perfect situation to use one of the torque wrenches that's enclosed in this case. Let me show you what's in here. Now, what's impressed me the most is the care that they took in packaging, and also the type of case. It's a very durable, hard case to house these torque wrenches, which are sensitive instruments from the standpoint of they need to be taken care of and not banged around in a toolbox or tossed around on the ground. And along with it comes a certificate of certifications of all these torque wrenches and how they were certified to meet torque spec. So that was very impressive as well. It comes with 3 different torque wrenches: 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. So today we're going to use the 1/2 inch torque wrench. And for the Ram 2500 lug nuts, it specifies that it needs to be torqued at 140 foot-pounds. 140 foot-pounds. This torque wrench can be adjustable for foot-pounds as well as Newton meters. So whatever world that you're living in, you can definitely accommodate whatever torque you need. You have to release this switch, and then you just turn it, and we had it at 0 presently, because you always want to turn your torque wrenches down to 0 after you've completed a torque on something. 140 is way up there for foot-pounds. And here we are going, and we are 140 foot-pound torque. Alright, so obviously you want to tighten, even though they give you a lever to where you can reverse it. Don't know why all torque wrenches seem to have that lever so that you can reverse it. If anybody can tell me why I can't reverse something with my torque wrench. I know you're not supposed to, but you can. So we'll go ahead, and we've already tightened these up with the impact. Oh. Alright, you don't want it to click more than once. And you really want to alternate. This nice, smooth, stroking action till you click off. Nice, smooth, stroking action till you click off. And you want to make sure that the socket does move slightly before it clicks off. That way you know that you're not over torqued. Alright. So I recommend these torque wrenches very highly. They've worked very well, and I'll be using them for a long time to come. I'm sure of it. Suzume, the set of torque wrenches every guy should have. Check out the link in my description on how to purchase these and many more products from this great company.